What's good, yo? It's the average sneaker boy. I'm back with another video. Today I have a box. It's a new unboxing video. I'm not gonna tell you guys what's in it, but yeah. Anywho, I think that might show up as a thumbnail. Well, let's make this quick. Still haven't got scissors or a knife, a blade to cut. So. Hope I don't scratch what's inside of here. And if you guys have any questions on like where I get my stuff, just go follow me on Instagram. It's always down in the description. It's packaging. Oh, this is not. I was hoping it was gonna be better looking than this, but oh my god. Stupid Target. This is the wrong color. I ordered a Nike hat, and I got this dumb bullshit. Can't take the tackle, but what? No, is it reversible? Hey, look, it's not reversible. This is like my second failed unboxing. This item must be returned 90 days within the ship date. I can return it? Which store is this? I don't even know. Whatever. I'll try and return it. I'm not feeling it now. It was supposed to go, I'm getting my hair tapered, and I'm supposed to go do it. Yeah, I can't do it now because my hair is so damn big. But I don't feel like adjusting it. But I don't like the colors though. What is that? It's like a beige. Ew. Oh no. He type scammed me. Alright, that was sad. I think I'm gonna do a crying thumbnail. I mean, no, I'm gonna take a Snapchat and then put the little tears. And then have maybe black and gray, maybe. I don't know for the thumbnail. But I think that's it. You see this ugly color? Like, ugly ass color. Do you see this? It's like an ugly beige, just bullshit. Like, I wanted black and white. The picture had a black and white cat, and they send me this. I'm gonna have to figure out how to send it back. Now, I was gonna rock it before the end of the year. School year, and I guess that's not gonna be able. I'm not gonna be able to do that. I'm rocking my OVO sweater. It's one I had years ago. OVO XL VO. Yeah. Before Drake stuff started costing like hundreds of dollars. Anywho, hold on real quick. Let me just see if how to return it. Ooh, I'm gonna go to my. Sorry that took so long. I was just reading. Reading is knowledge. Get your knowledge up. Education. um, what was that? But anywho, it says I'm gonna go back my local Target because this was shipped from New Jersey. Really? There's a Target around the corner, but y'all picked the one in New Jersey with this ugly ass color. But I can go to the Target like down the road, and I can return it and see if they'll give me a black and white one because that's the one I want. Probably do that this weekend. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys. I'm gonna put this like trashy hat, trashy colored hat, and then have a crying face for them there. But yeah. I love these big bubble bags. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I don't know where all my boxes went. See over there? There's only like. Oh yeah, I got some shoes over there and stuff. But like, right down there, like right there, like where are all my boxes? Anywho, I think that's it for today. I have to go to Target this weekend because this trash you had. Yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace.